now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. I didn't think this was gonna happen, man. I always thought,
wouldn't let that shit happen to me though.
just didn't think it could be me. There's just no way. There's no way. But if most of you, I assume, have StockX accounts, and I assume you all got the email regarding security and a breach, and your information's been given away or whatever. But I just took it as, okay, yeah, like a lot of companies go through this. It just comes with the territory. But usually when that happens, companies will change their security, and you know, it's like a authorization. You gotta, to buy something, you gotta text the code and then put it into the app and all that stuff. What did StockX do? They did absolutely nothing. So that's cool. But I was like, whatever, it ain't happening to me. And then I'm just chilling. I'm chilling. So look, I'm chilling. I'm like this, and I'm talking to my dog, whatever, and my phone vibrates like 7 times. I was like, just out of pocket. And then it says your offer has been accepted and all this other stuff, and I was like, nah, I wasn't trying to buy anything. And so it said I had bought a Jordan 1 Obsidian or whatever, so it was like $250. And I was like, maybe I just forgot to put, like, I forgot I had a bid on one and it just accepted. So I was just gonna be like, cool, like, whatever. That stuff happens on StockX. If you don't remember, you will buy something on accident. But no, this one was shipping address has been changed to Louisville, Kentucky. Or should I say Louisville? So I was like, oh, no. And then I go on my account, and I wish I would have screen recorded this. There was like 20 bids on there, bro. They was wilding. So I had to like shut everything down, shut my, like, pretty much try to freeze my account, take off my payment information, all that stuff. And it's just frustrating. It's super frustrating that StockX has not figured the freak out. So, and here's what's crazy though, like, it's not like isolated. Like, if you go on the StockX Twitter page and you click their like tweets and replies, they're replying to all these people like every day, every minute, and people are like, bro, somebody just bought some on my account, figure it out. And then they'll like email us, and then another person's like, my account's hacked, so I want to delete my account, and they're like, email us. And it's literally the last like 1,000 tweets. Like, I went far, bro. I went far. And every tweet is like, bro, what are y'all doing? I mean, some people gonna be like, hey, I shipped shoes, it hasn't showed up yet. People are dumb, and they think StockX is UPS. But there's, most of the people are like, bro, my account is being hacked, and they're buying stuff. And StockX is just like, okay, email us. Like, dude, this is not okay. Whoever's handling your emails right now is probably just somewhere dying, like shivering, like shaking, like a I Am Legend zombie, because they have to answer every single email and cancel all these different fucking charges. Like, my bro was charged like $6 grand. Like, I'm lucky. The dude tried to buy Obsidian. Like, why would you steal somebody's account just to buy some ones, dog? You got 240. I guess if you scam it, you don't got 240. But it's 240 bucks. Like, somebody, like my friend bought, his account bought Off-White 1 and some other stuff. Like, whoa. Whoa. And then, and PayPal won't help you, because when you go on to StockX, you sign an agreement and you're like, yeah, PayPal payment agreement. So if you try to run, like, go through PayPal and be like, bro, don't pay, give me my money back, PayPal will be like, nah, bro, you signed the agreement. I don't care who you shipping it to. Hey, you already signed it. So PayPal can't help you. It's literally up to StockX to be like, okay, fake, cancel. But like, wow, bro. Wow. Like, and it's not small accounts. These are accounts with over, I think I got like over something amount sold. I'm definitely in the tens of thousands of dollars sold with StockX and tens of thousands of dollars bought with StockX. It's not like this is just an isolated thing. Like, they don't know what they're doing, bro. And I don't want to be the guy on here to be like, let's boycott StockX, because ain't nobody listening to me, bro. This video gonna have 200 views. I'm just saying, I just had to get mad 1 second because, oh my god. Now I'm scared. I'm start changing all my passwords all around the freaking town. I'm freaking changing passwords to freaking scooters.com because I'm scared. I don't know what's happening. StockX, what are y'all doing, bro? Bro. I mean, the moral of the story is StockX really doesn't care about your information. They don't care. It's gonna get stolen at some point. If you have a StockX account, it is only a matter of time before somebody buys something on your account. Just know that. I don't care what your password is. Nobody could have guessed my password, man. I'm telling you, that stuff is weird. Like, on some weird. But like, no, it doesn't matter. They're gonna get it. I don't know how StockX has it set up, but yeah, they gonna have your account. So I don't want to be the guy to be like, don't buy on StockX. But for some people, I'm like, support your local reseller. Like, honestly, dude, somebody trying to make some money. He's selling the shoe for $20 more than what you would pay on StockX. You don't have to wait 20 days to get it. And that's a no-brainer. Like, but people want to be like, I hate resellers. Resellers ruin the game. And then they go right on StockX and buy something. Like, keep making StockX rich. Do what y'all do. Y'all payments gonna be freaking stole. Your account gonna be stole. They go buy everything, man. They go buy everything. The person scamming, the back of his stuff looks like this. He just chilling right this, like right now. He like, I wonder how many bids I'm gonna place today. So that's y'all fault. I don't know who I'm directing this at. I don't know who the anger is directed at. All I know is that StockX just played me. Everybody played me. My money gone. So I mean, go fund me or something. But yeah. Yeah. It is what it is, man. StockX. I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. That's dope. Stay tuned. I don't know what's on the way, man. All I know is Travis Scott 6, we all gonna die.